Oh, yeah, what up? I got a plan to set up financial freedom for myself, generational wealth for my children. Let's start it. Alright. So, my plan is I got a vinyl cutter, it's a Cameo 2 silhouette machine. Um, I have a heat press. Combine them two, boom, make t shirts. The thing is, I gotta come up with a cool design that will be, liked by a lot of people. It can't be just something specific. I'm not too sure what the design is gonna be quite yet. I made two stickers so far. A Jack Skellington sticker and the SCP logo. So far they're pretty cool. And I have heat transfer vinyl. And I have regular vinyl that'll work on windows, metal, wood, whatever. So I want to make some stickers. I tried selling them before around $5 a piece. 3-inch by 3-inch stickers for $5. I think that's a pretty good deal. Let me know if you guys have any cool designs in mind that would be good for just a regular person to want to purchase, or like a niche design that sells a lot. I tried making my own design and printing it on t-shirts. I've sold a few of those before. It's actually this design here, the Sasquatch one. Did kind of good around where I live, but I want to reach the population, if you know what I mean. I don't want to just pinpoint the area where I'm at. I want to be able to sell it to everybody, but that's hard to do, and you gotta have good designs for that kind of stuff. So let me know what kind of stickers you guys like. Everybody likes different things, so I need some ideas. I got Photoshop and I got Adobe Illustrator, so I'm gonna be using those two to make the designs on, and Silhouette Studios to cut the stickers or the heat transfer vinyl with. My heat press is 10 inches by 12 inches, so can get pretty big design heat pressed on. I was thinking about getting a hat heat press, but I don't even have enough money to buy that right now, dude. So what my goal is, I'm going to use the supplies that I have to try to make some money, and then use that to purchase more, you know what I mean? I can do car banners with the Silhouette Cameo. I can cut from 13 inches to infinity, pretty much. Cause I have, or I guess 13 to 100 foot. Cause I got, I don't know, 13 to 50 foot. Cause I got a 50 foot by 12 foot roll of white filament, think of the 3D printing. I got a 50 foot by 12, or 50 foot by 12 inch roll of white Oracle 651 vinyl that I'm going to be using for stickers. Trying to think what. I got a mini CNC machine I'm thinking about using to make like coasters, little keychains, all kind. Oh dang! Oh, dude got set on fire. Oh, oh! What the heck? Oh, what the heck? Those are snakes. That's funny. But yeah, I got mini CNC machine. I'm gonna use that to make coasters, plaques. I can make like 4-inch by 4-inch spiders. I can cut about maybe an inch deep with the CNC cutter, but the spindle isn't very strong, so I'm just mainly trying to learn how to use it for engraving right now. So I can do like what I've done is just made logos with Fusion 360 and then engraved on pieces of MDF, which is like in pieces of not cardboard, but it's like plywood, but it's really thin. What else? So yeah, those are my goals to reach financial freedom and for my children to have generational wealth. Let me know, like I said, down in this not in the description, but down in the comment section. Down in the comment section, hit me up. Peace.